other rail. It comes. Hi, I'm Nikki from myfavorites.com, and I'm going to go over the vevor 34-inch very quickly that I purchased on Amazon. It was shipped very fast. It came within 5 days of ordering it. It comes with a basket. It was kind of tough putting it together because the instructions, as you can see, was very vague. And I thought maybe this was something I could have done by myself, but I actually had to call my sister. She came and helped me. It comes with a USB cord for your computer. It also comes, I guess, with this printer type cord in case you want to hook it to your regular computer, but I'm going to hook this one to my laptop. It came with 3, look like maybe 45-inch rolling blades. It comes with a pen blade holder, the blade holder, the fuse. I'm not quite sure what the fuse is for yet, but it has an extra fuse. Some type of alley wrench, not quite sure what that is for. This is, I guess it's going to be the Sign Master dongle, or however you pronounce it, in order to run the cutter using Sign Master. Then I had this little add-blade-vevor-vinyl-cutter. Guess it was a pre-cut for the machine prior to shipping. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver in order to put the stand together, which was a headache for me, but I got it done. I'm gonna have a measuring tape, squeegee, knife, box cutter, extra blades, some tweezers. We're gonna have a craft knife. Me personally, I like using scalpels because I don't like when that part comes off, but that's good to have as a backup. You're gonna have a magnifying glass, operational manual for the cutter itself, but no manual on how to put it together. All right, and like I said, it comes with a basket. This is where I guess you would plug in a UDIS, USB, and a communication, a COM port. And so while I'm on this side, this is the actual USB plug it came with. Let's see, got it in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and might as well plug it up to show you. And this is where you plug it up at. Okay, it's in there. And now I'm just going to plug it in the wall. All right, while I'm doing that, let me see if I can kill two birds with one stone. And plug it in. Sorry, y'all. Okay, got it plugged in. And then it comes with two paper holders, two rollers, two paper rollers, holders. All right, in your basket. And I'm sorry that I'm rushing through this, but my phone is about to die. And then you got three here, I guess, to hold the vinyl. 3 rollers to hold the vinyl. Just turn it on, make sure that it's ready to rock and roll. All right, just powered it on. All right, it automatically set to 800 at 150. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and run some test cuts, hook it up to my laptop, and see how it goes.